In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a trend line in Google Sheets scatter plots. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can quickly reveal the overall pattern in your data. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. At the top right of the Google homepage, you'll see the small grid icon, often called the Google Apps Launcher. Click that, then choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. If you already have your spreadsheet open in another tab, you can switch to it instead. Once you're in Sheets, open the document that contains your chart. For this walkthrough, make sure you already have a scatter plot set up with numeric values on both axes, because trend lines are designed to summarize the relationship in that kind of chart. Next, click directly on your chart to select it. You should see handles appear around the chart and, in the top right corner of the chart itself, a three-dot menu. Click those three dots and choose Edit Chart. This opens the Chart Editor panel on the right side of your screen. If the panel doesn't appear, double-check that the chart is selected and try Edit Chart again. In the Chart Editor, switch from the Setup tab to the Customize tab. This is where you control the look and feel of your chart. In Customize, find and click Series. Series controls the formatting for your plotted data points. Scroll within Series until you see the Trendline option, then turn it on. As soon as you enable it, a line will appear across your scatter points. That's your trend line, giving you a clean visual summary of the overall direction, whether your data generally moves upward, downward, or stays relatively flat. A couple of quick tips to help you get the most from this view. If you don't see the trend line option, confirm that your chart type is a scatter plot with numeric X and Y values. Also, remember that the default trend line is linear, which is perfect for many cases. Once it's on, you can explore styling options like color and thickness, or even different trendline models, in that same series area if you want a different visual emphasis or a better fit for your data's shape. And that's it. You've opened Google Sheets, selected your chart, edited it, customized the series, and turned on the trend line. This quick addition makes your scatter plot far more informative at a glance, helping you communicate insights with clarity.